Hi everyone, welcome back to Hey Bartender. My name is Gustavo Rojas, your personal bartender, and hey, as you can see, we're in the mood. October is here, my favorite season and my favorite holiday, Halloween. Guys, first of all, thank you so much for staying here with us, and welcome if this is your first time. Let me explain you a little bit about what's going on here in this lovely kitchen slash bar. Basically, I just try to teach everybody how to make really cool cocktails inside of your home with easy and accessible items at your house. So if you're interested in learning how to do some really cool cocktails, please subscribe right here, the little thing, and that will be more than enough to get a couple videos every week. And thank you so much, everybody, for your likes and for your subscriptions. I really appreciate that. Just a little piece of advice, everybody. This year is going to be very, very different. I mean, if you are already a subscriber, you will realize that I have a couple twins at home. And obviously, it's not going to be the same this year, but we can still have fun. Be smart, be safe, and be cautious out there, okay? Please, everybody, enjoy these holidays. And yeah, here we go. Let's warm it up, you guys. This is a countdown for Halloween, and we're gonna do 2 cocktails and 1 shot right here in Hey Bartender. Let me show you how it's done. All right, so let's warm it up. We're gonna start with the Zombie Smash. So Zombie Smash is gonna be a really, really interesting cocktail, you guys. We're gonna need a couple of strawberries. Make sure that you have a large ones. And you're gonna muddle them. Make sure that you kind of like break almost everything, but leave in some pieces because that's gonna be part of your garnish. Then we're gonna go for 1 ounce of simple syrup, 1 ounce of lemon juice, and we're gonna go for 1/2 ounce control, 1/2 ounce of vodka, 1/2 ounce of rum, and 1/2 ounce of gin. Let's put some ice. And let's give it a nice shake. Let's make sure that we get a nice tall glass. If you have the chance to put your hands on these interesting ice cubes, well, it's not gonna fit. But this one does. That way they can keep an eye on your cocktail. You're gonna strain, but you wanna make sure also that the strawberry pulp gets into the actual cocktail. Okay. I'll fall a little short. And you're gonna finish it with a strawberry. That'll be cocktail number 1. Cocktail number 2, this is gonna be black as your soul. So this is actually a rum one. We're gonna go for 2 cocktails, you guys. So, 1.5 ounces Bacardi Gold per cocktail. 1 ounce of lemon juice per cocktail. So we're gonna have 2. Half ounce of lime per cocktail. So you're gonna go for a 1. 3/4 of simple syrup. So you're gonna go for 1.5 ounces for 2 cocktails. And here comes the fun part, you guys. This thing is called activated charcoal. So this is a dietary supplement. You can find it at any store. Obviously, I mean, it's not recommended to make all your cocktails black, but for the occasion, have a couple of them. So make sure that you open those pills. Just put 1 per cocktail. And now let's put some ice and give it a nice shake. All right. This is going to be the black as result. And obviously the activated charcoal does not change the flavor of your cocktail. So you be safe on this one. And now, one shot. Time to get those little nice fancy shot glasses that you have stored in your bar. And this one is going to be the Witch's Brew. I hope you guys like it. So we're going to start with 2 blackberries per shot. So let's make it 4. And obviously, let's break them down. Let's go for vodka, 1 ounce per shot. So we have 2 shots. We're gonna go for 2 ounces. Lime juice, 1/2 ounce per shot. Let's go 1 full ounce. Chambord, 1/2 ounce per cocktail, 1 full ounce. And if you like your shots sweet, which most of the time actually we're going to be able to have them sweet, just add like 2 splashes of simple syrup or 1 splash of simple syrup per cocktail. Let's get some ice. Give it a nice shake. Okay, because previously I put some sand sugar on my shot glasses and this one, the actual rim is very, very narrow. I'm gonna have a little extra help. Have a little funnel here because we don't wanna ruin that little look. And let's do a double strain. There you have it. The Zombie Smash, Black as Your Soul, and the Witch's Brew cocktail, you guys. And if you want to make things a little bit more interesting, put your hands in these little cartridges, you guys. Very easy to get. Put your dry ice and enjoy your Halloween. Salud, everyone.